Hey everyone, in this video you will see how you can install pandas in your Python environment and run pandas commands or code. So I am using a MacBook, but the process will be same for all operating systems, but the only requirement is you should have Python already installed in your system because pandas is a Python package, so you need Python to install and run pandas code. So let us get started and see how we can install it. So what you need to do is you need to go to your terminal and type the command pip install pandas and hit enter. Once you hit enter, it will take some time depending upon your internet connection and download pandas and install it in your Python environment. So right now it is downloading pandas, and once the download will get completed, it will install it in the Python environment, and finally we have got the message that successfully installed pandas. So let me clear the console. Now let us check the installation of pandas. So first let me run the Jupyter notebook. So for that I will type the command Jupyter notebook and this will open a notebook. So you can see the notebook is open. Let me go to the pandas learning and create a new notebook. So I will click on new Python 3. This will create a notebook, and let's first import pandas. So we will say import pandas as pd and hit shift enter. So once you hit shift enter, if you are not getting any error, it means that pandas is installed. So you can see when we have not got any error, so we have pandas installed in our system. So that's it for this video. If you like this video and if this video helps you in any way, make sure that you hit the like button, and also if you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe it as well. And we will have a lot of Python related videos coming in future, so make sure you do not miss this chance to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the new video.